Hey guys, Barney General here, back with another video, and welcome to Ponysoft's auto van. It's not a shop, but as close as I'm getting to one. So, this is Ponysoft Auto Shop Van Fixin's thingy, working title. And as you can see, stuff also be working or getting worked on. But this is my abode of dwelling in the realm of working on cars. I got myself TV there to watch, and you know, toolbox, power tools over there, some random parts and such here, rags, fast orange, socket sets, some batteries, battery chargers in here, parts, more parts, ratchet straps, oil. You get the picture. Everything I need to work on vehicles is right here. And why am I showing you guys this? Well, because this is going to be an area you'll be seeing a lot more often here with the current upcoming projects I have. I'm debating on whether or not to film this, because this is essentially like a customer car situation, but I guess I could at least give you an idea of what we're dealing with here. Got completely destroyed in-hat shoes. The brake rotor was also destroyed, needs pads, it's a little rusty, you know, normal stuff. But that's pretty much the kind of stuff I do here. This is exactly why I don't post to YouTube very often, actually. I'm very busy with all this American big body stuff right now, and so it leaves me with very little time to actually record, but I'm gonna try to get better at that. This is also a little video to announce the launching of something. That would be Ponysoft Instant Messaging. So there will be an invite on the channel, of course. There'll also be an invite in the description of this video. Basically, I wanted to branch out and do my own Discord server, so that's what I did. I've been building it for the last month or two, just kind of getting familiar faces in and getting everything set up the way that I want it to. But yeah, come on over, chat with me there. I'll probably see your messages within an hour or two, up to 8 hours, I guess, if I'm at work. But regardless, I will be on there. Ponysoft Instant Messaging will be popping with all the fun guys from Rocky's server that I wanted to invite, plus whoever here wants to join. So this is a public invite here. But going back to the car situation thing, this has pretty much enveloped my life at this point. Computers, televisions, video games, that sort of thing. They're fun and all, but they don't pay bills or get you to work. These do. So kind of just been focusing on the automotive aspect of things as of recently, and it's been going fairly well outside of a couple little flubs. So with that being said, this is just really meant to be more of an announcement video of the fact that you guys are going to be seeing more automotive stuff on this channel. I don't know if it's something that the majority of my subscribers watch. I know a lot of non-subscriber people come to the channel for the automotive stuff. A lot of my top videos are actually my videos on cars, and it's not obviously because of subscribers watching. I only have 600 and some odd subscribers, but these videos have thousands of views, so lots of non-subscribers that just come for the automotive stuff. So we'll see how things go here. But I figured, you know, rather than just abandoning the channel entirely, I would just focus it more around what I'm doing now. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Peace.
I learned you get more for an LED screen than a plasma, cause apparently plasmas are old and I didn't know that.